Welcome to this quick and helpful guide on how to turn on vibration for Instagram direct video calls. If you've ever missed a call because your phone didn't buzz, this video will show you exactly how to fix that step by step. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and go to your settings. This is where you'll find all the main controls for apps, notifications, and system features. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see apps, then tap on it. This is where all the installed applications on your device are listed. Next, look for Instagram and tap it open. This will bring up several options related to the app, such as permissions, data usage, and of course, notifications. From here, select notifications. Now, within the notification section, you'll see something called notification categories. This is an important step because Instagram divides its notifications into categories like messages, calls, and activity updates. You'll want to find and tap on Instagram direct video call. Once you're inside that option, look for the Vibrate toggle. If it's turned off, simply switch it on. This setting ensures that your phone vibrates whenever you receive a video call on Instagram Direct. That's it, you've successfully enabled vibration for Instagram video calls. From now on, you'll not only see the call notification pop up, but also feel it through vibration, making sure you don't miss any important calls from friends, family, or colleagues. If your phone still doesn't vibrate after this, double check that your device's general vibration setting is turned on in your main sound settings. Sometimes, if vibration is disabled at the system level, the app settings won't override it. And there you go, a simple and effective way to make sure your Instagram video calls always get your attention. Thanks for watching.